Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Proton Mail guide for 2026, I'll show you how to fix Proton Mail login not working issues. Whether you're unable to sign in, stuck on the login page, receiving password errors, or dealing with verification problems, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to regain access to your account. So let's get started. First, make sure you're entering the correct email address and password. Double-check for typing mistakes, incorrect capitalization, or accidental spaces that may be preventing you from signing in. If you're confident your credentials are correct but the login still fails, try resetting your password using the Forgot Password option on the login page. Follow the account recovery process and verify your identity if prompted. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes prevent Proton Mail from loading properly or completing the authentication process. You should also verify whether Proton Mail is experiencing a temporary service outage. If the service is unavailable, you may need to wait until the issue is resolved before logging in successfully. Once you've regained access, consider updating your recovery email, backup methods, and security settings to reduce the chances of future login problems. And that's how to fix Proton Mail login not working issues. By checking your credentials, browser settings, application updates, and account security options, you can resolve most login problems and get back into your account quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.